In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a voiceover on Google Slides. By the end, you'll know how to record your narration, add it to your slides, fine-tune how it plays, and test everything so your presentation sounds polished and professional. Start by recording your voice. You can use a built-in tool like Voice Recorder on Windows, QuickTime on a Mac, or a reliable online recorder. Find a quiet space, speak clearly, and keep your microphone a few inches from your mouth to avoid distortion. It helps to do a quick test clip and listen back for background noise, pops, or volume issues. If something sounds off, adjust your mic position or input level and try again. Keep your tone steady and your pacing natural, leaving short pauses between sentences so edits and slide timing feel smooth. When you're happy with the take, save the file in a supported format. MP3, WAV, or OGG all work well. Use a clear file name so it's easy to identify later. Google Slides pulls audio from Google Drive, so make sure your recording is accessible there. MP3 is a good choice for a smaller file size, while WAV preserves maximum quality if you need it. Next, open your Google Slides presentation. Navigate to the slide where you want the narration to start. Go to the Insert menu, choose Audio, and pick your recorded file from Google Drive. Once it's inserted, you'll see an audio icon appear on the slide. Now adjust how it plays. In the audio playback options, decide whether you want it to start automatically when you present the slide or only when clicked. If the audio needs to repeat, turn on loop. You can also set the volume level here so it isn't too loud or too quiet compared to any other media you might have. Position the audio icon where it won't distract from your content. Many presenters tuck it into a corner. You can resize it to keep your layout clean. If you plan to start audio by clicking, place the icon where it's easy to access during your talk. Finally, test everything in present mode. Advance to the slide and listen to your voiceover from start to finish. Confirm the timing feels right, the volume is comfortable, and autoplay or click to play behaves the way you expect. If anything doesn't sound right, exit present mode, tweak the settings or re-record as needed, and test again. That's it. With your voiceover in place, your Google Slides are ready to deliver a clear, engaging message, complete with your narration guiding every step.